The Climate Change Adaptation Digital Twin, which is a part of the Destination Earth initiative, has been shortlisted for the prestigious Gordon Bell Prize for Climate Modeling. The award is one of the most renowned awards in high-performance computing. This nomination highlights how the project's effort set a new benchmark for climate adaptation and complementing existing capabilities. Representing the Climate DT teams, here with us today we have Pekka Manninen, who is the Director of Science and Technology at CSC. Firstly, could you briefly introduce Climate DT and how it fits into the broader Destination Earth initiative?
Destination Earth as a whole is an initiative by the European Commission to build an information system for making knowledge-based, data-based policies and decisions what comes to the mitigation and preparedness to climate change and its impact on different fields of society. Climate DT, as a part of Destination Earth, implements an end-to-end workflow from kilometer scale global climate simulations to the impact sector models that helps us on understanding what happens in a very specific field of society when global warming progresses.
Well, how does it feel to be among the Gordon Bell Prize finalists?
Of course, we are proud and happy in the Climate DT team, and this is a very nice acknowledgement for the very big team behind the Climate DT initiative. It consists of more than 100 people from 12 institutions across Europe.
Well, what does being shortlisted for the prize mean for the project and the whole European climate science community?
I think it's a nice testimony for the climate science or computational climate science capabilities in Europe. So this is really showcase our leadership in climate code development and HPC adaptation, as well as showcases that we do have powerful enough HPC platforms in Europe that we can harness for computational climate science of this scale.
How did the European supercomputers enable this achievement?
From the very beginning, the intent has been to use two European leadership class supercomputers operated by Euro-HPC joint undertaking, the LUMI supercomputer here in Finland and Marenostrum 5 in Spain, to be the key platforms for Climate DT. And this has been the case now for throughout the project, and obviously it was very natural that also the Gordon Bell Prize submission results were gathered from these two platforms.
Finally, looking ahead, what's next for the Climate DT?
So Climate DT is now nearing the end of second phase, and we start to be pretty much ready with the information system. Of course, there will be improvements to it, and then we will improve the performance and everything. But in any case, we are nearing more and more on the stage where we run the platform in production and then do the operations for it. And so the system is actually going to deliver what is being designed for. So it is enabling what-if scenarios, is enabling data-based decision-making what comes to climate change and adaptation to it.
That's great to hear. Thanks for the interview, Pekka, and thank you for your time.